Schools could be closed beyond that April 24th date. The governor also has called for a federal emergency disaster declaration. Here he is talking about the cases we have in our state right now.
As of this morning, Maryland now has 423 confirmed cases of COVID-19, an additional 74 cases in the past 24 hours, which is the largest one-day rise to date. We now have positive cases in 22 out of our 24 jurisdictions.
And the big news to come out of that press conference was the school closures. Dr. Karen Salmon is the state school superintendent. Here she is talking about the closures.
After lengthy discussions with health experts from around the state, I have made the decision, along with the State Board of Education, to extend the closure of all public schools in Maryland for an additional 4 weeks through April 24th, 2020. We do not make this decision lightly. However, with the challenges facing our state and our country, we have a responsibility to ensure the health and safety of our school communities and the communities at large.
Right now, daycare centers remain open, but a big priority is finding child care for those on the front lines of this, including health care workers. Here's Dr. Salmon again.
For those essential personnel that are unable to provide care, we have worked diligently in the past week to identify locations across Maryland that will provide child care. At this juncture, we have identified space for more than 1,200 school-age children of essential personnel at various locations throughout Maryland in spaces such as the YMCAs, the Maryland School for the Blind, public libraries, parks and recreation facilities, and boys and girls clubs. We are hoping to increase this capacity to more than 2,500 spaces in the coming days.
2,400 extra hospital beds are now online. That's ahead of schedule. And while we know there are at least 423 confirmed cases, we learned that 17 people have recovered since this pandemic began here in Maryland. Reporting live at the State House, Mike Helgren, WJZ.